Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a bird origami. So first I'm gonna need a square paper, and then I'm gonna make the exact opposite of the bird, the crane base. So I'm gonna first take this line and fold it down over this one here. Then unfold the paper, and then we're gonna take this side of the paper and fold it over this one here. Like always, we start with a plus. Then we turn the paper and do a fold, an X fold like this. So first I'm gonna take this corner and fold it over this one here. Then unfold the paper, and then we're gonna take this corner and fold it over this one here. Then unfold the paper, and now we're gonna take these two lines and this one and fold them all over this one here, like this. Then flatten the paper until you get a triangle. Now we're gonna take this line and this one here. I'm gonna fold both of them over the center line. Then unfold the paper. Now we're gonna take this line and fold it over this one here, but we're gonna fold until we meet this fold we just did before. So just between these two here. Then same thing here. We're gonna fold until we meet with the crease we did before. Now we're gonna fold on both this line and this one, like this. Then fold it down. Same thing for this side of the paper. These are the legs of the bird. Now turn the paper to this side and then fold on the center line like this. Now we're gonna take this part of the paper and we're gonna leave a space here, and we're gonna fold. Remember, you see a crease here, so there's this point. We're gonna fold over it like this. Then we take this part of the paper and fold it over this one here. Same thing to the other side. And now I'm going to take this side of the paper and fold it over this one here. This is going to be the tail of the bird. And now for the neck of the bird, I'm gonna take this part of the paper, I'm gonna fold it up. Just like this. Make sure this line is lined with this point of the paper. Then for the head, it's gonna be hard to make a detailed head with a 15 centimeter square paper. Maybe use a better paper if you want to make more details for the head. But I'm gonna leave it like this. Then for the legs of the bird, so we're gonna fold from this point here like this. I'm gonna show you in a second. Just like this. Same thing to the other side of the paper. Now fold it back. I'm gonna fold this inside of the paper like shown. Same thing for the other side. Then we're gonna fold it to the front. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.